Man, this trip to Miami's about to be lit. I can't wait. What? I ain't never seen snow before. Nah, jit, stupid. Bro, it don't even snow over there. Oh, shit. Nah. Alright, sir, you're next. Go ahead and walk through that metal detector for me. All clear. Enjoy your flight. Alright, sir, go ahead and walk through that metal detector for me. Oh. Bro, what's in your bag? Why you worried about me? Nah. Alright, sir, go ahead and remove anything that might be a problem and try again, please. Alright, man, we're gonna have to go ahead and check your bag real quick. Dog, you gonna make us miss the flight. Alright, so we just checked the bag and we found 8 automatic weapons and 4 grenades. Oh. Bro, what you brought grenades for? I ain't trying to get caught lacking. Bro, nobody's looking for you on a plane.